this court action is of the utmost importance to all South Africans to get behind. So we're sitting with basically taking government to court, not on whether we should do nuclear or renewables, but actually on how we make decisions in the country. And keeping key decisions secret for 2 years, and actually following a procurement process without following the constitutional, cost-effective, equitable, fair process means that we are losing our democracy. And so decision making in the country is now being reduced to benefits for the elite, with everyone else paying through no schools, no hospitals, no social grants into the future. This event has been a huge success. It's brought together a number of individuals to rally support around the fundraising for the court case. Of course, it's a court case, and if we're going to have to take it all the way to the Constitutional Court, we're going to probably need more than 2 million rand. At the moment, we're close to 800,000, but the last step in the court process over the last months, with the government dragging its heels, has actually resulted in the increase of another probably 200,000 to 300,000 rand onto our legal bills. And so we're really appealing to all South Africans to step up and help us, because we believe that this is not a Safcei earth, life, environmental problem. This is a key democratic issue that all South Africans need to be concerned with. So at the moment, what we've done is they have constantly dragged their heels and asked for extensions. And now our legal team has refused to grant them any more extensions and has instituted a Rule 30A application, which means that if they fail to respond within a certain time, our lawyers could actually go to the courts and say that there's no one who's going to oppose this application, and that we will end up therefore winning because the government fails to oppose us. So the Gazette that was released in December was the procurement decision, which said we are going to do 9.6 gigs of nuclear, but it happened 2 years. It was released in 2015 December, but it was actually made in 2013. 2 years it's been kept secret. And that means that 2 years ago the government made a decision behind closed doors to buy this nuclear procurement, but they didn't bother to tell the public. And in fact, we read in the minutes that we subsequently got that one of the reasons for publishing this thing was because we were taking them to court. So this court case is having successes in at least getting some forcing government to be more transparent in its dealings, but we've got a long way to go. No, I don't think it does, and it probably doesn't even have to for those people to get their little handouts along the way. In the PBMR case so many years ago, the government spent something like 9 billion rand, and we had nothing to show for it. But of course, where did that money go?